Hello beautiful planner girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily from The Drill Plans. I am so extra excited because I'm gonna get started in my new planner. I don't know why. I decided it was a good idea to just chew gum, so this is not happening. There's also a lot of wind. Hopefully you won't be able to hear much of that, but yeah, I am super excited to get started with these. This is the 2024, I can believe that. Memory planner in pink. I love it. I'm super excited to be using this one. So as you can see, we have like a little overview, some kits for the year. I really want to like fill these completely up, even though I'm not like having any like special day or celebration, just so I can see what I was thinking when I was making this, because sometimes I go back and I look at my kits and I'm like, why am I using this kit? And you know, just like kind of having like something. For example, I'm like watching a TV show and I want to use something kind of related to that, I can just put it in here. So yeah, just little things like that to like make it more memorable would be really nice. Also, I did play around a little bit with the monthly, which I haven't done monthlies in my memory planner for like a really long time, but I kind of really love them. This is the monthly kit from PlannerPixieCo and it's so freaking cute. These also are from PlannerPixieCo. I just like digitally foiled them because they're like supposed to be like printed and then foiled. So yeah, these are so cute, and I use the my foil bundle in the shop. This is the fireworks in rose gold, and I think it's so pretty. And I just used also the day dots that come in that foil bundle to like just make it more festive. And I thought this is so cute. I'm not like tracking anything serious in this one. Just like celebration if that happens, and then I thought it would be like a really cute idea to track some of my favorite fictional character birthdays, my dog's birthday, just like things like that, things that make me happy, cute little things. And I do really love all of these, so I think it's gonna be a really cute idea. We'll see like as the month progresses if I'm still doing these and kind of like adding other things, because I'm pretty sure I miss some birthdays and whatnots that I need to like lay down, but just like little cute monthly page without it being like super filled to the brim, you know, and like all the decor obviously that I really love. So we're gonna be doing a lineup for January. I have like a pretty good idea of what I want to use, but things might change, and also I have like options for foil, so let me know your thoughts down below. Also, are you guys using a memory planner? What kits are you using? Because there are like so many really good ones. This is a monthly kit. I'm gonna use the same art, but in the weekly format for the first week. And this is so freaking cute. I basically just saw the dog and I just was like, I have to buy it. I had to use it. This is gonna be my kid. So yeah, so freaking cute. And I love it. I love all of the food. We got like pizza and whatnot. So I think it's really cute vibe. I really love it, and just as I did in the monthly, I will be using the fireworks foil in rose gold. I should have like pulled my foil before like show you, but this is going to be the foil that I'm going to be using. I think it's going to look so freaking cute. I just saw it because I mean like you could use something a little bit darker, I guess, but I feel like these just will look really cute, as well as with the like bottom washi. You know, I feel like it's a really good pair. So that's gonna be the first week. Really adorable. Hopefully it looks as cute as this one. Next we have this kit, and now this kit is like, I'm not 100% sure that I want to do this kit, but like I kind of really want to do this kit, you know, so I'm like in between. But this is December by PinkPlannerShop. And this is so cute. I have a couple of problems with this though. Yes, I love this movie. I love Anastasia. It's like one of my favorite movies of all time. Like I love it. Now, did I wish I'd used this in December? Yes, probably, because it's called December, you know. But I feel like whenever I feel like Anastasia, whenever I think of that, it just gives me winter vibes. However, I wished this was a little bit more blue, so that it would look a little more colder and a little bit more wintry. And it's like really pretty. I mean, like it's purple, and it looks a little bit more like a galaxy. I don't know. I'm having like I'm like not 100% sure. Like I love the kit, I love these, but I'm like 100% sure, you know. I do, however, love all of the little elements. I feel like she did such a great job, and I don't think she had like a lot of things to work with. Like I feel like she only had like one background and she just like made it work for all of the boxes. So I think it's really cute. And if I use this, it just has like little stars and of course a lot of gold. So I thought, because I feel like that would be really, really cute if we did like the washi. It'll go kind of like the stars that are kind of falling down. So that's already going to be super cute on top. And then like the big stars. I just feel like, yeah, this is perfect. Like match made in heaven, right? And then of course we'll do all the like frames and underlays and whatnot, and I think that's gonna be really cute. So yeah, this is like potentially the kit, but if it's not, I honestly don't know. I feel like I might find something like more wintry and save this up for like December or something. We will see, but I do really like this one. Next, I have Athena with PansysPrints. That's cute. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of the Percy Jackson TV show, and I kind of want to have something here in January that reminds me of that. And I feel like this has, of course, sort of the Greek vibes. I wanted something like more Greek mythology, but this is what I could find, and it's so freaking cute. I love it. I of course choose the brunette girl because I always choose the girl that reminds me of me, but she has like a ton of different ones. The redhead girl actually looks absolutely gorgeous in this kit, so you know, we might like change a little bit. I don't know why she does this. She does like the same thing, just reverse. But there's like a lot of different options with the like washi and whatnot. I think that's cute. We don't have split washi, so I'll have like split it up and then add foil on top to make it cute. And I thought we could do the bows foil in rainbow. Like I thought gold at first because like there's a lot of gold elements, but I don't want to like duplicate, like do gold and then do gold the next week. And I was actually playing around with like the different colors, and the rainbow color actually looks really cute with the kit. Like the colors just go together really nicely, which I kind of thought would happen, but like look how cute that is, right? Like it just matches like the purples and the blues, and it's just really pretty. So I think that is what we're going to be doing for this week. I think it's gonna look super cute. Yeah, and I just really like the Greek vibes. Like I just really wanted a kit to like commemorate the TV show that I'm watching this month that I'm like super excited about. Which, by the way, if you haven't watched Percy Jackson, 10 out of 10, I loved it. They're like sticking really well to the books, and they're just like really bringing the books to life. So I just really love that. So yeah, kind of commemorating that a little bit. Next week is going to be my dog's birthday. He's turning 14, which is crazy. He's like super old. And he's a schnauzer. I don't see a schnauzer in this kit, but I don't care because I feel like this is the perfect kit for it. This one is called Dog Mom by MyPerfectPlan. I don't know if she's doing printables anymore, which if you don't know, I use printables and I just crop them to use them in my digital planner. I don't know if she's doing printables. She normally just like sells the printed kits already, but she is an Ukrainian shop, and I bought this while, you know, the situation there was a little bit rough, so I kind of wanted to help her out a little bit, and she couldn't really ship anywhere from her sticker shop, so she was just putting the printables to people for like people to buy and to help her out a little bit. So I grabbed a bunch of her kits because they're super, super cute. And this is like the perfect gift for my dog's birthday, so I have that. I love this book, like the Dog Mom. I do have a problem. They are not transparent stickers, so we'll see how that goes. Because like the rectangle ones are fine, but like these ones that are scallop, we're gonna have to work around that. But I feel like this is gonna be super cute, and I'm gonna use the birthday foil bundle in Champagne Nights, which I think is going to look so adorable, and I definitely wanted to do something kind of more festive for the foil. Oh, it was right there. Definitely to like really make sure that it was like a commemorative thing, you know. And I feel like this is going to be cute. Also, we have some really dark colors right here, so with that on top, I feel like this color is just like super classy, you know what I mean? Like he'll look really cute, but that on top also of these like darker colors that look cute, and then the bougie boxes underneath. Like, I feel like it's everything, you know? So I feel like that's gonna look so cute. Look at that boy. Oh, that's adorable. So yeah, I'm excited about this spread. It's gonna be a little bit challenging because we don't have transparent backgrounds, but I feel like we can make it work. And the birthday foil bundle and champagne legs is gonna be absolutely perfect for this week. And then next week, which is the last week, I definitely wanted a kit like that feels like I'm closing up January, so closing up the wintry vibes, but also kind of opening up for February, which is all of the Valentine's Day kits, which I love Valentine's Day kits. They're like my favorite, or like one of my favorites to just like pick and work with and use like foils and whatnot. So I definitely wanted to kind of feel like I'm transitioning towards that, and I found this really gorgeous kit. This is Frozen Fairytale by PansysPrints again. I'm loving her kits. I'm loving the way that she puts the boxes together, and I feel like this art was made for like the Lord of the Rings TV show, and then they recolored it into making like more wintry, more blue, and I love it. It's so cute, and it's got some like butterfly elements here and then. So I thought we could use the butterflies for the bundle, and then I was not quite sure which color I wanted to go with, but I thought we could do a little bit of like a mixing with the baby blue and the purple, and let me show you, because it does have a lot of like the baby blue, which was like my first thing, but if we only use baby blue, I feel like it's gonna get lost. So it does have some purple elements. So here's my thought process. So I'm gonna be using the blue where there's like the purple accents. Like on this box, there's a lot of like this purpley accent, right? So that I'm going to be using, that's so cute. I'm going to be using the blue, and then this one that is more like, the ones where we have a ton of like the blue, we can do the purple to like kind of balance it out. And I feel like, oh my god, that's so cute. Yeah, yes, I'm so excited. I love that. I feel like this is going to be such a cute combo with the blue and the purple, and just like add more butterflies into it, because I think that's gonna look so cute. And I feel like butterflies are a little bit romantic, so we're like moving towards the February cutesy, more lovey-dovey vibes that I kind of want in my planner. So I am super excited about this. The key, like when I saw it, I was like, yes, that is it. Like that's the key to transition from winter to February. Like so freaking cute. So yeah, those are going to be the kits with the foil bundles that I'm going to be using. I'm going to try to leave a link down below to like everything that I'm using if you guys want to pick something up. But I feel like these are so cute. It took me a minute, and like again, this is like the one that I'm not 100% sure. Let me know what you think down below about it. But yeah, everything else I'm like, yeah, and yeah, you know, like I'm so excited about. And just like to get started in a new planner is always super exciting to play around in different ways with it. Again, I'm so excited to like start using the monthlies because I was not doing that, and I feel like you can just pull in your foil, like the weekly foil bundles. You can totally make them work here. Like I just used the washi tape here to like add some cute firework elements and make them like even cuter. I obviously use the day dots and then just use like the washi strips and whatnot just to like add, you know, even more of that cuteness to it. So yeah, I'm super excited to finally move into my 2024 planner. It's so freaking cute, and I feel like this is gonna be a really cool planner. There's like a lot of really fun, cute weekly kits coming in like lots of different shops, so I am super excited about this. So yeah, let me know guys, what do you think about this one? Are you using a memory planner, and then what kits are you using? Because like I want to know, you know. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful planner girls in my next video. Bye bye.